Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, if you're new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell button besides it so that you get notified whenever I push up a new video. So today we are going to talk about how to do addition, subtraction and scalar multiplication in matrices. Okay, but before beginning with that, like always, I had told in the first video of mine, which was about introduction to matrices, that order of a matrix is very important. So here I'm going to tell you that you can add or subtract any matrices only if the are orders are same. In case the orders are different, then in that case you won't be able to do the addition and subtraction of matrices. Okay, so now let's take for an example. We take 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we are trying to add these matrices to another matrix which also has order of 2 by 2. So minus 4, 6, 2, minus 2. So what will be your answer? Students, here also the final answer will obviously have the same order, and your addition and subtraction of matrices is not that difficult, to be honest. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to do the addition of corresponding places. So the first element of the first row and the first column will get added to the first element over here. Similarly, the second element of the first row and the second column will get added to this element. Okay, so your 1 minus 4 gets you minus 3, 2 plus 2 gets you 4, 3 plus 6 gets you 9, and 4 plus minus 2 gets you just minus 2. So 4 minus 2 gets you 2. Now similarly you can do the same way subtraction also. So I'm going to continue writing the same matrix over here, and we are going to just put a subtraction sign instead of addition sign. Okay, so here 1 minus of minus 4 gets you plus 4. So 1 plus 4 gets you 5. 2 minus 2, that gets you 0. 3 minus 6 gets you minus 3. And 4 minus of minus 2, that gets you plus 2. So 4 plus 2 gets you 6. Got it? Again, here you saw the order remains the same. Okay. Now, let's see what happens when you do the addition of a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so 4 minus 6, 1, 0, 9 minus 2, 8, 3 and 1. This I'm adding to minus 1, 7, 6, 2, 5 minus 3, 9, 4, minus 4. Let's do this. And we have a 2 over here. So this, when I'm adding, again we will keep in mind that we are just going to add the corresponding places or the corresponding elements. So 4 plus of minus 1 becomes 4 minus 1, that gets you 3. 0 plus 7 gets you just 7. 8 plus 6 gets you 14. Okay, minus 6 plus 2 gets you minus 4. 9 plus 5 gets you 14. 3 plus minus becomes minus. So 3 minus 3 gets you 0. Now 1 plus 9 gets you 10. Minus 2 plus minus 4 gets you just minus 4. So minus 2 minus 4 gets you minus 6. And 1 plus 2 gets you 3. Okay. Now let's try doing subtraction with the same matrices. So 4 minus 6, 1, 0, 9 minus 2, 8, 3, 1 plus minus 1, 2, 9, 7, 5 minus 4, 6 minus 3 and 2. This, let's see what, or sorry, this we had to do a subtraction. So let's see what's the answer. 4 minus of minus 1 becomes plus 1. So 4 plus 1 gets you 5. Now 0 minus 7 gets you just minus 7. 8 minus 6 gets you 2. Now minus 6 minus 2 gets you minus 8. 9 minus 5 gets you 4. 3 minus minus 3 becomes plus 3. So 3 plus 3 gets you 6. 1 minus 9 gets you minus 8 again over here. Now minus 2, minus of minus 4 gets you plus 4. So minus 2 plus 4 gets you 6. Oh, sorry, gets you 2. And 1 minus 2 gets you minus 1. So you understood? This is how you can do the addition and subtraction of all kinds of matrices. Okay. Students, if you like the way I'm explaining, then please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gets me tremendous amount of energy and encouragement in making these kind of videos. Okay, and ensuring that I keep doing these kind of videos. Also, students, you might have noticed that I keep pushing 2 videos a week. One gets pushed on Monday and another gets pushed on Thursday. On Monday, I push a video in which most of the questions are asked to me through emails, through WhatsApp, through Facebook. Okay, all of these people, all of these are my students. Okay, and they have certain doubts in kind of questions which are asked in these entrance exams. So I try to solve those questions and make a video of that and push them on Mondays. And on Thursdays, I make these kind of videos which are basically concept driven and basically giving you ideas about how to do these kind of stuff in mathematics. Okay, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get tuned in to my channel. And also, students, it's absolutely free to subscribe to my channel, so do go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Okay, now coming back, students, any the thing about matrices is that if you had to add, let's say over here we take another matrix 1 2 x 3 plus a b 9 d. Okay, so if you had to add them, that also is very possible. All you had to do was just 1 plus a, you will write it as 1 plus a. 2 plus b will be written as 2 plus b. X plus 9, similarly 3 plus d. So my point of showing this kind of addition was that you don't need to worry whether you have variables or not. If you have variables, you write them as it is. Okay, there are exams or sometimes for 2 marks they can ask something like this as well. So don't need to panic. You can directly write your answer this way and let it go. Now coming to the next point, that was we were going to understand today, that was scalar multiplication. So scalar multiplication is the only multiplication where you don't need to bother too much about the orders. Okay, why? I'll tell you. So let's say scalar multiplication, you need to multiply 3 with a matrix. Let's say that is 1, 2, 9, and another row is 3, 1, 5. So here all you had to do was just multiply 3 with each and every element of this matrix. So 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 9 is 27, and 3 into 3 again is 9 over here, 3 into 1 is 3, and 3 into 5 is 15. So this is your final answer for the scalar multiplication of 3 with this matrix. Okay. Also, if you don't have to multiply, or let's take another example. Let's see if I have to multiply minus 2 with a matrix that is 1, 3, and 4. So your final answer would be minus 2 into 1 is getting you minus 2. Minus 2 into 3 is getting you minus 6. Minus 2 into 4 gets you minus 8. So remember, the sign also gets carried forward. Okay. Now let's see if what happens when you have to multiply a constant, or sorry, a variable to a matrix. Let's say 1, 2, 5, 9, 12, and minus 3. So here your answer gets 1 into k is k, 2 into k is 2k, 5 into k is 5k. Now 9 into k is 9k, 12 into k is 12k, minus 3 into k is minus 3k. This was 5, okay? So got it? Here you would have realized that why order is not important, because here you just had to multiply a single element or single number or single variable to all of these elements. Okay, so I hope you've understood how to do these kind of addition, subtraction and scalar multiplication for matrices. Also students, I'm going to very soon push up a video in which I'm going to explain how to do multiplication and how to find the inverse of a matrix. And trust me, after watching that video, you will never ever have issues in doing multiplication as well as finding an inverse. So please do go ahead and check those videos as well. Okay. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.